Out here on the Chick. What's today? 2 days after Christmas. What's the water temperature? About 40 some degrees.
45.
45 degrees. Gonna get almost 60 today. Gonna see if we can catch a few blues. Yeah, we got Anthony with us today. Bubba. Out here, sun's shining bright. Let's get on a little sun on the camera. We had a little bitty bump already. We'll see. Just got started. First spot. Bub over there.
I feel like a fat French guy.
He says he feels like a fat French guy.
Jean-Pierre.
Jean-Pierre. Alright, check back in a minute. Alright. Here we go. Got one on. What do we got? What do we got?
Minnow.
Got a minnow. Got a minnow.
Walter's great nephew.
Still looking for Walter, folks. We'll find him.
Yeah.
Got it? Alright, the action's starting to pick up a little bit now. This ain't Walter, but it's his baby brother. Got some action going on.
You got some cut bait.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Little chum slip.
Right.
Kicking it, brother? Did you just kick this?
Oh, yeah. Here you go.
Get it out of it.
Alright. Alright, you can shut it off. Just hit the red button again. Alright, here comes brother with his big blue.
Oh, look at that chum.
Brother's first fish on today.
Don't trip it all over our shit, dickhead. You're such a, just like that, all around. Take it. Get it off of my shit.
Alright, recording this. Brother got the big one on.
No.
Yep, he says no. Uh-oh, starting to hit good now. Look at that. I had to make a sandwich, brother. Alright, we got a double on. That's alright. Nothing wrong with that fish. Look at Bubba back there.
That's a Wonder Bread.
Yep, get some Wonder Bread. And be like, damn, I wonder what I just ate.
Maybe was wondering where in the hell the meat is with that little ass fish.
Where the meat?
If we get that,
Yeah, I'll put him back.
I mean, it's okay.
Alright, what's Bubba got on?
Something.
A minnow?
That one.
Look out, brother.
Brother's twin. One.
That ain't Walter.
Walter Cronkite.
Walter Cronkite. There he is. Get the net. Get the hammer. Get the hammer. Oh yeah, that's a pretty fish. All right.